So let's look over some features that we offer just to see if anything we offer is an indication that you and I may be a good fit. If that's the case, let's proceed with business as usual. Many of you know we offer insurance products. Certainly, we can supply all your insurance needs. Personal and business doesn't really matter. We do life insurance, we help your retirement, we do health insurance, we help you, your employees, if you have health insurance needs for them, as well as personal health. We do, for example, personal auto, we do commercial auto, we do home coverages, and also we do general liability, we do workman comp, and a host of other things. So we cover everything as an independent insurance agency. We have absolutely no restrictions or barrier what we can cover in regards to you. Tax preparation, insurance, and today what we're going to dive in a little deeper is the fact that we're able to give capital funding. That's very important. We do the lead work. All we want to know is what's your vision, and we take you to the next level. So we're here to help our clients grow their business better, quicker, and faster using capital. Let me say it again. We're basically here to help scale your business. We want you to focus on what you want to focus on the most. And as you refine your focus on doing what you do and providing value for your clients and your customers, we provide capital funding to make sure your business have what it needs to continue the excellent service that your business render. How do we do that? It's really simple. We do it by supplying you the opportunity to apply for a loan that will put you in front of about 200 lenders at one time. Why is that significant? That's significant because these people, these companies, these institutions are fighting for your business, and they're going to give you the best loan they can possibly give you, which will put you in a better situation. Let's give your business a boost. This is how it happens. When you work with us and you're seeking a loan, here comes the benefits. They roll in so easy. Number one, it's automatically going to take your business to the next level. I can't stress that enough. Number two, it's going to resolve any cash flow problems you might have at this present moment. And number three, it's painless. It is a one-page application that will reach 200 lenders at least without even affecting your credit score. It's a win-win, trust me. We're going to get you the cash you need. Matter of fact, if you need $25,000 or less, we're going to give you that cash the same day. All we ask to get the cash the same day that you apply just before lunch. If you apply before noon, you can get the cash the same day, $25,000. That will get you out of any tight you may find yourself in. Number two, if you need more than $25,000, and we can give up to $10 million, so that will satisfy every small business owner as well as every mid-sized business owner. We can get you $10 million in approximately a 48-hour window, maybe a little longer depending on paperwork that may be required, but we can get you that financing relatively quick, all right? Remember, keep in mind, we have 200 lenders that are fighting for your business. What does that mean? With those 200 lenders fighting for your business, it's going to automatically give you an opportunity to have a lower interest rate. That's major. Number two, not only would you get a lower interest rate, you will also be a recipient for longer terms. All of this, keep in mind, with us not having any expectation for you to secure any collateral. We don't want any collateral. That's not what we're asking for. Unlike the banks, we don't need that. We just need you to meet our simple standard form of operation, and you're going to be fine. The next thing, you don't have to worry about credit. You really don't. There's no credit scoring bar. The only time credit become a major issue with us is, for example, your startup industry or startup business. You're starting up, you don't have any revenue history, then we require a credit score. At that particular time, you're a new business, no revenue history, you've been in business, for example, a month, then we may have to look at your credit just to make sure that you can go through our process. What does that look like? At that point, we'll be looking for about a 680 credit score, and we need about 5 trade lines on your credit history to make sure that you qualify for a startup loan, which is really still a good place to be in. So we cover basically any expense you can imagine. We give you increased working capital. We will give you the opportunity to update equipment you may have. If you're a restaurant, for example, and you're doing well at that one location you have, and you decide you want to do 2 more locations, we will add those locations for you through capital to make sure you can expand your business. You want to purchase inventory? Not a problem. You need to cover payroll? Not a problem. You want to expand your marketing campaign? You want to hit the television waves, the radio waves, you want billboards, whatever the case may be, we can help you do that with the capital that you need. We cover all industries. This is important. We take care of you, whether you're a construction company, an e-commerce company, wholesaler, distribution company, medical company, whatever the case may be, we can cover it. From a real estate investor all the way down to a cannabis owner, we have you covered. So for a moment, let's talk about the difference between traditional banking and you becoming one of our clients at Greer Financial Services and Insurance to secure capital for your business. This coffee is good. So let's say, for example, and I'll give you a scenario. You walk in the bank and you need a line of credit or you want a business loan. And you begin to go through the process with the banks. For those who've already gone through it, you already know that this is going to be a very arduous process. A lot of documentation is going to be required. They're going to have an expectation that you be in business, for example, for 2 years. I mean, the list goes on and on. A matter of fact, it's been proven and documented that every business that walks into a bank, for every business that walks into that bank or entrepreneur that apply for these loans, 90% of them are rejected. 90% of them. They supply them what they need, what they ask, they meet their requirements, and they find out after all that effort, all that legwork, they got rejected. So if 100 people walk into the bank, 90 people get rejected. Out of those 90 people that get rejected, we are able to approve 90% of them. So 100 people walk in the bank, 90 get rejected. If those 90 come to us, we will give 81 of those people an opportunity to have the capital they need. Absolutely, we can do that. With that being said, when you look at traditional banking and you look at us, we're able to fund within 24 to 48 hours of the application being approved. We can do that. Can the banks do it? No. Early payoff discounts. It's not a problem with us if you decide to pay your loan off early. In fact, we would discount that particular loan if you pay it off early. Not an issue, not problematic for us at all. Can you do it at the bank? No. All we require is you be in business 4 months. And if you're operating business within 4 months, you are able to apply for our financing. Can you do that at the bank? No. And my favorite part, and I can't help but reiterate this time and time again, credit requirement. Do we require a credit score? No. That's major. As I forestated, the only way credit becomes a part of our application process is for the fact that you are a startup and you have absolutely no history in terms of the business world, which means you have no revenue that you can show for at least 4 months. Then credit becomes an issue. And again, Even with that being said, as long as your credit score is about 680, we're going to be fine. Those 5 trade lines, we can move forward and we can make sure we get your business financed. So if you're looking at this and you say to yourself, wow, this is what I've been looking for. This is what I need. Why are you waiting? You don't even have to watch the rest of this video. What you need to do is go to www.greerfinancialservices.org and you need to apply. My website is right here on this particular graphic. As you look at this, all you have to do is find out more information by clicking that particular button, or apply now on the page a little further down by clicking apply now. It's going to take you straight to a questionnaire, answer those questions, and you're going to be good to go. What to expect when you go to the website, put the application in, it's simple. You can expect a very safe and secure application process. It's real simple and real secure. You don't have to worry. We got you covered. You're going to be protected. So apply safely and apply securely. No problem. Number 2, expect a very quick call. As long as you apply within business hours and within the business days, expect a call from us. One of our knowledgeable business finance experts are going to call you back, and they're going to go over the application with you. If there's any questions in the ambiguity, they're going to clean that up to submit your application. And then the best part about it, start using your money. Apply. If you don't apply, we cannot take you through the process. Expect a phone call from one of our agents, and then get ready. Your money is on the way. Start using your money to grow your business any form, shape, and fashion you desire. And you don't have to worry about it. When you get your money, it has no restrictions. It is none of our business how you take care of your business. Now, if you're watching this and you're saying to yourself, this is interesting, I like the program. Matter of fact, I wish I was in business. I could use this, but I'm not. So even though I like the program, it doesn't really benefit me. I want to debunk that. Matter of fact, it could really, really benefit you, because everybody knows somebody who owns a business. And we have a referral program that you, yes, you will be excellent for. If you're interested in becoming a part of our referral program, by all means, please do so. Each person you refer that signs a contract with us will give you an opportunity to give you a generous cash reward. So if that person gets funded within 24 hours, guess what? You, my friend, will get funded the same time they do. Well, what do we need to do? How do we take advantage of this referral program? Share this video. That's one. Share this on your Facebook post. Share it right now. Call somebody, whoever that person is that you know that can utilize this program, that you know that fits into the matrix of this program, and you share it. All you do is tell them, hey, call Ray, go to T. Ray's page, go to Greer Financial Services and Insurance, go to their website, submit your information to this application, tell them that I sent you because I want to make sure you take care of you. And you know what? Chances are, if 24 hours should be adequate when they get their paperwork in, you get paid when they get their check. Isn't that amazing? It really is. And I want to share this with you. You will be able to get the least amount I'm thinking, at least $200 easily. Why aren't you sharing? Go share. Let's talk about our customers. I wanted to make sure that before I release this to the public, that we had some people that we've taken through the process, and we can kind of see what their process was like for them and was it beneficial for them. And we started this a few months ago, and we're interested to know how our customers feel about us. And so on our website, they have an opportunity to submit their reviews. And we got some reviews, and we looked over those reviews. And Amicable Property were one of those reviews. And we had a great experience working with the owner. He does absolutely tremendous things in his community. And he left a review. He said, man, save my neck. And I was curious, how do we save your neck? He said, I purchased a 12-unit building that was not cash flowing and 50% vacant. I needed cash fast. I secured $225,000 to rehab the property, and now I have 87% occupancy with higher rent. Can you say winning? Yes, that's great. But I wanted to know, from the time he left this review, how is he doing now? I called him up. It's T. Ray, Greer Financial Services and Insurance. Yo, I remember you. All I want to know, sir, how are you doing now? This is what he said to me. At the time I left the review, we were at 87% occupancy. Now we at 94% occupancy. And guess what? I believe within 2 weeks, we will be at 100%. And that's great news. That's what we're here for. That's what we want to do, to make your business better, to make your business more profitable, to make your business more fluent. The next person that left a review that we appreciate so much for doing so was the owner of Solid Homes LLC, a great real estate investor and a great real estate developer. He left and he says on his review, loan already paid back. We literally just done business with this guy a few months ago, and his loan is already paid back. Here's what he said. I was able to secure a major loan and pay off all my back property taxes, legal bills, credit cards, and still had cash left to buy another property. My new property has brought in so much money. So much money, friends. Remember that he's already paid his original loan back. And in the event that any one of you decide to go and really go through this process to secure a loan and pay that loan back, whether it be on time or early, I can assure you, you automatically are in line to get another loan with a whole lot more in regards to capital to allow you to do what you need to do as a business owner. How do you get in contact with us? The website is on the screen, www.greerfinancialservices.org, or you can give us a call, 901-286-8875, 901-286-8875. Well, you're in Bartlett, Tennessee. Clearly, we're not in Bartlett, Tennessee. We're in Dallas, Texas. Can we still utilize your service? Of course you can. We're in Miami, Florida. No problem. We're in New York, New York. No problem. We service the entire United States as well as Puerto Rico. It's no problem, no issue at all. Give us a call and we'll be glad to take care of your needs. Absolutely. You don't have to worry. You don't have to fret. We will be able to do what needs to be done to make sure that your needs are taken care of. T. Ray Greer, Greer Financial Services. What are you waiting on? Share this, apply, do it now, do it quickly.